Hello everyone, welcome to Amal Khan YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you how to draw irregular plots. So here I have a lot of plots, so I will draw one by one. Let's see how we will draw it. For irregular plot, when we are going to draw it in AutoCAD, we will just use line command and circle command. So keep in mind this. So first of all, I will draw a baseline which will be 10 feet. Now I will draw a circle over here which will be the 15 feet, and circle on this point which also will be 15 feet. So you can see here the circle join each other, so we will connect these points and this point. So delete this circle. Now just check, go to dimension, align command. Now we are going to check it. You can see 15, here 10, and here is the also 15 feet. So by this way we will draw it. Now I want to draw this one. So for this I will draw a line which is 20 feet. Now I will draw a circle of 30 feet. As you can see, I draw this line, so 20 feet, and now I want to draw a line of this one, so I will draw a circle over here 30 feet, and also I will draw a circle of 30 feet here which have radius 30 feet. So circle, radius 30 feet, enter. Now you can see point which has been intersect each other. We will draw a line from that point over here. Now I want to draw this one. So what I will do for this, I will draw a 10 feet circle which have radius 10 feet. Circle 10 feet. Now you can see, connect this and also connect this one. So now delete the circle. You can see its dimension. So by this way we just draw the irregular plot. So now this one, I will draw a baseline which will be 40 feet. So you can see this one will be drawn. Now I want to draw this one. So for that I will draw a 25 feet. As you can see here is 30. So I will draw a circle of 30 feet radius. So I draw 30 feet radius. Now you can see here it connect by this one, so I will connect this, and here I will draw a circle which have 30 feet at radius. 30. Let's draw a line from here that we can connect it, and this one to this one. Now you can delete the circle, so you can see that we draw this irregular shape. Now you can see. So here this irregular shape is drawn. Now let's come to this one. Draw a baseline 40 feet. Now circle which have radius 30 feet. Now from this end we will draw a 30 feet circle. 30 feet circle. So you can see here it connect, and we will go here and connect it. You can see this one. Now I will draw a circle of 25 feet. Circle of 25 feet from here, 25 feet radius. Now we will draw a circle of 30 feet from here. Here we will draw a circle which have 30 feet radius. you can see this and this one connect. We will connect this, we will connect this and this and this. Now delete these all circle, go to dimension, here align. Now you can see this one is draw here, line baseline 40 feet. Now circle which is 15 feet and also a circle here which is 15 feet. Connect this point to this intersection. Now a circle of 15 feet. We can delete this and also a circle from this point which is 15 feet. Now we will join this in this and this. As you will delete this, now you just go to dimension and align. So we went to check it, draw the irregular plots. Now I want to draw this one. Let's start line 40 feet. Now draw a circle which have 30 feet and here also a 30 feet circle. Connect this by a line, delete this circle which have radius 25 feet and here also a circle which have 30 feet radius. Now connect these points. Now delete these, go and draw dimensions. So you can, this one is 30. So this is the easy way. Now let's draw this one. Line which is 40 feet. Now draw a circle which is 25 feet and here a circle and here a circle also 25 feet. Now you see here the line connect. So now draw a circle which have 30 feet. Now draw a circle which have, now draw a circle here which have 30 feet and connect these lines to this and to this. Now delete all the circles, so dimension it. Line you can see here 30, 25, 40 and this one is 25. By this way we will draw the irregular shape of plot. Always remember that line and circle is used for drawing an irregular shape.